What's up, folks? Here we are, and first of all, let's start with some basics comments that you probably know, but anyways. First of all, if you press Ctrl X, you can remove a line. Yes, that's it. So you don't do, if you want to remove all line, you don't need to do this, or don't need to go and just, yes, it doesn't. Don't do that. You just press the line and that's it. You can remove it. Or even if you press ctrl+alt+shift arrow key up or down, you can select multiple lines, and if you press Ctrl X, you can cut all of them and then paste again. Or if you go here and press Ctrl C, you can copy them. And if you want to you just did that, and whoa, there's something really wrong. What I'm going to do? You go here in Explorer. By the way, if you press Ctrl+Shift+E, you can open, or you can go to that tab. Okay, so if you go here, there's a tab called timeline, and you can just go back in time in here. Okay, so it's every time that you save your code, it's going to be something new here. Okay, so now I can just go here and copy this and go back here, and that's it. So now that you know that, there is also a other option that you can do. Let's say I want to go to this picker component, for example, and I can press Ctrl P and just say picker.tsx, and now let me I can also say the line I want to go, so I go to the line 10. If you want to go directly to a line, you can only press Ctrl G and say that you want to go to the line 20. There you go. The emoji, I just press Ctrl P and there you go, emoji, and then I say I want to go to the line 200. Okay, so here I am, press enter, and there you go. Or even if you want to open up a lot of files, you just can press Ctrl P, and then there you go, you want to open like the categories txx, and there you just press arrow right and we open it. But if you also want to open like the options, you just press again and there you go. And here if you only want to open one, you press enter, there you go. And now a really useful command is Ctrl key W. What's it going to do? It's going to close all of your open tabs. So here we go, and we are closed for today. And so if you want to open your terminal, you just press Ctrl J and there we go. You can open it, and to close you do the same stuff. Okay. So let's see, Ctrl+Shift+F is going to open up the search bar, and there we go. Let's say I want to create a new emoji here. You just select all of the lines you want to select, and there you go. You press Alt, Shift, and arrow down if you want to go down, or arrow up if you want to go up. And there you go. You paste it, you copy and paste it automatically. And now also if you want to go from this line to the next, and you want to the next line, you can only press Ctrl Enter, and there you go. You don't need to go to the end of the line and to press Ctrl Enter. Alright, and if you want to delete a lot of text without pressing backspace all the way to the end, you just go and press Ctrl backspace, and there we go. It's way faster. Okay, let's say you want to select the whole line. You press Alt Home if you are in the end of the line, or if you are like in the middle of the line and not go to the end, you press Ctrl End or Ctrl Home, and there we go. Okay, and now let me think. Oh yes, if you want to close like this Explorer without pressing the button here, you just press Ctrl B and there we go. And it doesn't matter where you are. Okay. And now let's say you are in the emoji JSON and you want to go to the previous file that was open. You press Ctrl+tab and there we go. You have like this beautiful, beautiful pop-up. If you want to navigate, you only press like the arrow buttons and there you go. Okay, and now if you want to navigate using like going to the next page, you just press the up or down button and on your keyboard and there you go. You can navigate easily between files. And now let's say I was typing in here and then I go in here and I want to go back to the previous place I was typing. You just press Alt and arrow key to the left to go back, Alt key right to go where you were before going back, so left or right, and there we have it. Okay, are most useful shortcuts that I use in my day-to-day life, and hope that you like it. Please leave a thumbs up if you did so. Yes, thank you guys for listening to this humble channel.